Now, Boost is an underrated character out of an underrated group of cars. I say that because, he, of course, he's part of the tuners, so DJ, Wingo, Snotrod, and Boost himself, who, basically carried or carried the whole plot, because, without them, the Cars films wouldn't be as we know them, because what they did was, they decided to mess around with Mac, of course, the Lightning McQueen's trailer, and that caused the ornament, to bring one of the ornaments in the trailer to, pull off and then hit the button or whatever the hell it is to open the door, and then Lightning McQueen fell out, or not fell out, but it went out of the trailer, and then he ended up in Radiator Springs, and he made friends with Mater and Sally and and he found that Doc Hudson was a racer and turned right to go left, and all that stuff would happen because of you Boost and getting you the gang, the tuners, you get me? Yeah, so I think that's pretty interesting, if you ask me. Still, more about Boost himself. His model, caused a bit of a debate, within the car community, because some people say he's this and other people say he's that, but I'm just gonna say it. He's a Silvia S15. He is. I mean, no arguments, okay? Whinge at me in the comments as much as you like, but no, I'm not gonna believe it. I'm still thinking he's an S15, alright? So, calm down, okay? Great. Have a closer look at him. Well, as you can probably tell already, it's old, somewhat. And surprisingly, I don't know, the colours started coming off. I'm not sure how I can see it, but I can definitely see it, that's for sure. But you can see some of the black paint started to come off, or is that the correct word? I don't know. But there's some grey bits, or a couple grey spots or whatever, on the carbon fibre bonnet. Let's see what else is there. Look at that, look. I told you it's old. Look how chipped up it is. Looking around the fenders. Look, the front left fender. Whew. Doesn't look good, does it? That's probably a sign of its age. Well, not a sign of its age, but a sign of, me as a young lad, playing with it, and whatever. I think some of my first ones, including this, was, I think that was DJ, Snotrod, Doc Hudson, Mater, Chuck Armstrong, Billy Oil Changer, the King, Chick X, who else did I get? Sally, she was one of the first ones I got. And now look at me, I've got a huge collection from, quite a variety of cars as well. From stuff like Otis and Boost, to Lightning McQueen himself. Carrying on, it says his name along the side, which is interesting, I think. Some nitrous cans, which you never know, could be Nitro Aid. No, hold on, no it wouldn't. It would be N2O Cola, of course it would be, yeah. Of course. Look at it, look at the back, look at the tail, with rear brake lights. How is that not an S15? But still, two thick exhausts. It says his name. What is that? I think he's from Nitrousville, was it Nitrousville? Which is what it says at the top of the number plate. Still, I think he's a very interesting character. Don't you think so? Have a great day, folks.